Okay, let's get this thing started. We're gonna start with the construction of a bigger building so that we could start the crash course. This is an overview of Marcin's farm. So this is the original machine shop that Marcin built, and this is another one that he built. Those are older ones. And now we have to build one on this concrete pad. And it's just basically a bigger machine shop so we can build this home faster. You can see the little scale of the truck here. We have to build a 800 square foot home, but first we need the building to build it within. In the future, we're going to build an even bigger structure, even bigger than the learning facility here. It'll probably be 3 times as big. You can see all the individual rooms on the sides. That's for building and assembling things together, like plumbing and other things. And in the center, there's just a big open room for building the homes. The idea is to build at least 6 of these modular homes inside this hangar. It just makes it for faster building and cheaper. This is another view of that building in the future. It has rooms on the sides and the big open space in the middle with the trusses on top. But we got to start with the rapid learning facility, and basically this is the layout of what we're going to do. You can see it has 6 rooms on each side. These 6 rooms are going to enable us to have teams of 2 or 3 building trusses and building wall modules within each one. You can see these wall modules, and then there's the materials stacked up right there to make it fast, easy access, and then the finished pile that we stack them up there and then take them out to the site. So we need this first in order to get our teams in there and get them going. So I'm going to show you quick clips of what we do in this build. This is just a pen drawing of the rapid learning facility of what I just showed you, with the 6 rooms on the sides and the open part in the center. A lot of us got together and we started building and offering our time into doing this to help out with this rapid learning center. And it also gives us a chance to get used to the tools and used to the construction concepts. And you'll see that it has similarities with the 800 square foot home that we build, with the trusses, with the design, and with the wall modules.
We're gonna break free, no stopping us. We working, but this time it ain't slavery. We be working as a fight for liberty. Working hard. Working hard. Freedom ain't free, so we working hard. The sun is hot, we are sweating like pigs, but we working hard anyway. Every nail we hammer in is one more step to freedom. Working hard. Working hard. Freedom ain't free, so we working hard. Working hard. Working hard. Freedom ain't free, so we working hard. We make mistakes, get frustrated and slow the pace, but we tried anyway and keep working hard. Working hard. Working hard. Freedom ain't free, so we working hard. Working hard. Working hard. Freedom ain't free, so we working hard. We don't listen to naysayers. They are the ones in captivity. We keep plugging away. We keep working hard. Working hard.